Right now, the healthcare sentiment score has dipped to -0.23, which is significantly below the historical baseline we've tracked. This negative sentiment, paired with a strong momentum of +0.98, suggests that something is shifting rapidly in healthcare discussions. You should pay attention to this. It indicates a potential pivot point in public perception. Our API delivers detailed insights, returning sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters that help you understand the underlying conversations. With 18 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deep into the specific themes driving this sentiment. Imagine using this data in your application to enhance patient engagement strategies. By knowing how the public feels about certain healthcare topics, you can tailor your communication to address concerns proactively. To get started, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.